this is Carrie at the Waukee Public Library. For this week's Teen Maker Monday, we are using colored sand and making little jars of sand. So you will need a little jar. You might be able to find something like that at the Dollar Tree or online, of course. You will need some sand, colored or uncolored, whichever you prefer, or multicolored if you want to do some layers. Some other fun things you might want to add to your little sand jar if you don't want to fill the entire thing with sand. You can take a tiny scrap of paper, and if you are giving this to a friend, you can write a little message in there and roll it up nice and tight and tiny and give that to a friend, or some tiny little shells or other little decorations that will fit in your jar with the sand. You'll need a funnel and a spoon. All right, so you want to take the top off of your bottle and pick your color of sand. Let's do this. If your sand comes in a tiny little bag, you might not need a spoon. You might be able to pour it just straight from the little bag, but you still will want your funnel. Let's see if we can do this so that you can see. There we go. Oop. And I'm gonna make mine a little beach sand bottle. So I'm gonna put in a few little shells. Maybe 3. And I'm just gonna have a little beach vacation in a bottle. Hopefully you will have fun and find it relaxing to pour your sand into a bottle and either keep it for yourself or make one for a friend and just have a little fun mini vacation in a bottle. Have a great day, everyone.